Moving along to the back, I know I've mentioned before, they always crack right there. Must just be a stress point. When I fix these, I usually weld up both sides and then I still reinforce the back side because they can crack again after. I also want to show you from the factory, this is hard lined. What they do is they paint the white, then they put the blue on, and then they put the stripes on. If you look real close, you can see some white there. These stripes aren't always 100% butted up against, and sometimes you can see a little white coming through. If you're ever looking at one of these online, usually the aftermarket ones, it's hard to tell, you know, if you're looking on the marketplace or whatever. These are usually thinner. If this is thinner and this back piece that's white is blue, it's always aftermarket. So I'll go ahead and give you some of these measurements. We'll go ahead and do that now, and then we're going to start fixing this one. Then from the R forward, it's 1.5 inches. So from the top, it's 3/8 of an inch. I usually just use 2 pieces of fine line tape, butt it up against each other, puts it in the right spot. You can see where they just butted that up right there. This is hard lined here too. Like I said, they put that blue on and then they put the decals on after and try to butt it up against there as good as they can. Usually Honda's really good with that, but every once in a while you can still see a little white coming through where it's not perfect. I got all my tail pieces straightened. I'm gonna mask this off in here, and then I'll spray the white, then I'll take it off, then I'll clear the whole thing. I want to show the back side. That's factory, the way they just kind of masked them off. They didn't spend much time making the backside look nice. I'll give these measurements for where all these go to. So I got the white laid down. I masked that off so I know where to mask it off again when I go to do the blue. And we're gonna go ahead and put a coat of clear over the whole thing. Go ahead and get those two, then we'll be all done. Got a couple of coats of nice clear over it. Get it sand down, and then we'll mask off for that blue. I'm gonna start laying the blue down. Doing 2 of these at once. It'll probably take 4 coats of this blue, and then I'll actually clear this because all these lines are actually hard, so they don't have to be buried with the clear. Got 4 coats of blue on. We're ready to start laying the clear down. It'll sit for probably about 25 minutes. Then I'll start taking the masking off. That blue looks so good when it butts up with that white paint. It's got that cool red stripe that goes through there. From this outer edge here, it's 2 5/8 of an inch over, and it starts 3/16 of an inch down.